Isolation is a powerful technique in dark psychology used to manipulate and control individuals by cutting them off from their social support networks, such as friends, family, and colleagues. The goal is to make the victim more dependent on the manipulator, reducing the likelihood that they will seek help or question the manipulator's influence. This technique is often used in abusive relationships, cults, and controlling environments. How isolation works. 1. Creating dependency. By isolating the victim, the manipulator ensures that the victim has fewer people to turn to for advice, emotional support, or alternative perspectives. The victim becomes increasingly reliant on the manipulator for all their needs, making it easier for the manipulator to control their thoughts and actions. 2. Controlling information. Isolation allows the manipulator to control the information the victim receives. Without outside input, the victim may be more likely to accept the manipulator's version of reality, beliefs, or narratives without question. 3. Inducing fear and insecurity. Being isolated can make the victim feel lonely, vulnerable, and insecure. The manipulator may exacerbate these feelings to increase their control, making the victim believe that they need the manipulator for safety and emotional support. 4. Reducing resistance. When isolated, the victim is less likely to resist the manipulator's influence because they lack the confidence or external validation needed to challenge the manipulator's authority. Practical examples of isolation. 1. Romantic relationships. Example 1. A controlling partner may discourage or outright forbid their significant other from spending time with friends and family. They might say things like, "Your friends don't really care about you," or "Your family is just trying to come between us." Over time, the partner becomes the victim's primary or sole source of emotional support, making it difficult for the victim to leave the relationship. Example 2. A partner might criticize or sabotage the victim's social activities, making them feel guilty for spending time away from the relationship. For example, "You always choose your friends over me," or "If you loved me, you wouldn't need to go out without me." 2. Workplace manipulation. Example, a manipulative boss might isolate an employee by discouraging or preventing them from interacting with colleagues, especially those who could offer support or advice. This could involve assigning tasks that require the employee to work alone or in remote locations, or it could involve spreading rumors to create tension between the employee and others. 3. Cult behavior. Example, cults often use isolation as a way to maintain control over members. New recruits may be encouraged or forced to cut ties with their family and friends, often under the pretext that their loved ones won't understand or support their new beliefs. The cult becomes the member's entire social world, making it difficult for them to leave or even see the group's influence as harmful. 4. Abusive friendships. Example, in toxic friendships, one friend might isolate another by speaking negatively about other friends, making the victim feel that those people are untrustworthy or disloyal. The manipulator might say things like, "They're just using you," or "They talk behind your back," to create doubt and distance between the victim and others. 5. Family manipulation. Example, a controlling parent might isolate their child by discouraging friendships or monitoring and limiting the child's social interactions. They might justify this by saying they are protecting the child or ensuring their well-being, but the real motive is to keep the child dependent and under their control. Signs of isolation. 1. Social withdrawal. The victim starts spending less time with friends, family, or social groups. 2. Fear of social interactions. The victim may become anxious or fearful about meeting others, often due to the manipulator's influence. 3. Increased dependence. The victim becomes more emotionally or financially dependent on the manipulator. 4. Limited communication. The victim's communication with others is monitored, restricted, or discouraged by the manipulator. 5. Loss of confidence. The victim may lose self-confidence and feel that they cannot function without the manipulator. Counteracting isolation. To counteract isolation, it's important for the victim to recognize the manipulative behavior and reconnect with their support network. Encouraging open communication with friends and family, seeking external perspectives, and gradually reestablishing social connections can help break the cycle of isolation and reduce the manipulator's control. Enjoyed the video? Don't forget to hit the like button, drop a comment below, and subscribe to our channel for more awesome content. Make sure to click the bell icon so you never miss an update. Your support helps us create even better videos for you. Thanks for watching.